Okay, I want to do a follow-up video here. I noticed I have another correlation here study for this is part 2 of the second post here, number 2 study. And these last two websites, both if you look at TerraVistaRealty.com and AustinRealEstate.com, they're in totally two different markets. But I did a sitemap crawl. I wanted to see how many actual total pages each site has. And AustinRealEstate.com has about 24,900, whereas TerraVista had about half, so 12,000 pages. And here's who's ranking better. TerraVista is ranking twice as good. In other words, they're ranking double, even though they have their less pages. On page 1, they have page 1 has 10 results. So I wanted to find out what they're ranking for in total on page 1 in Google and how many terms. And there's 20 pages. As you can see here, there's 20 pages where they rank 20 keyword terms rather. That are ranking on page 1. So position could be 1 through 10 for 20 pages of keyword queries here compared to Austin Real Estate. And that's unique. As you can see here, I think it's like 11 pages there they only have for the same comparison as far as page 1 rankings. And the search volume is over 100. And if you look at the site architecture, TerraVista is all flat, except when you get to the, let's see here, where's the listings? Let me scroll down so you can see here. Where's that page at? Here it is. Looks to be their well, actually it's their schools. Let me see where those listings are. But if we look at the site map for Austin, let me refresh this map here so you can see it. Totally little slightly different structure here. As you can see there, it's not quite as flat. Their architecture, it goes pretty off 2 or 3 pages down on several of these listings, but it's so much of a bigger website and it has a lot more depth than it is wide, if that makes sense. And that's unique that their one is ranking twice as better than the other with having less pages. And you can see the AustinRealEstate.com has kind of leveled off, and it's actually flattened out. And this could be going back. I remember in the first video on this correlation study this is when they stopped their blog, was September 2014. And as soon as that blogging stopped, they started ranking better. And they probably redid their site structure and the MLS feed. So now they're probably happy with their traffic, whereas TerraVista, if you look at their ranking, they're still growing. So they probably they're approaching 50,000 keywords. Well, it says here 22,000, and this one is 9,000, and they're flattened off, and this one's still growing. So hopefully that gives you some more correlating data here that you can kind of compare and see what's happening for your strategy for your own website. But let me go back to, let's see here, this is Austin. So if we can scroll here, that's a huge website. Wow. Yep, so this is all their listings, their data here. And if I go to TerraVista, let me just search. Search listings, let's see what happens. I just want to take a look at their